Your ChatGPT article cannot rank on Google if you don't do what I'm about to show you in this video. But if you watch, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to create human-written 100% SEO optimized blog post that will rank on Google page 1 in a matter of days. So, I know that you already know about ChatGPT, but your ChatGPT article cannot rank on Google if it's not very in-depth, SEO optimized, and passes the AI detection test. Writing a unique and SEO optimized blog articles manually usually take long hours, as you already know, but with this ChatGPT SEO writing AI app that I'm about to show you, get ready to publish your new unique article under 10 minutes and start ranking on Google within 24 hours. And by the way, if at any time you want me to help you with any aspect of your website SEO, then contact me using the contact details in the video description. If you're ready, then let's get right to it. So here we are in ChatGPT, and if you don't already have a ChatGPT account, just sign up for one free one here. So usually what many people do is to give ChatGPT a generalized instruction, something like write me a 1,000 word article on the benefits of Facebook ad, and then many times you may not be 100% satisfied with the result. So what most people do again is to try to fine-tune the result by saying things like rewrite using maybe more technical tone, and you can see that our content has been rewritten. Really, you can continue to ask ChatGPT to edit this article, maybe something like make it more informative, and so on and so forth. But the truth is that this style of writing can be tedious and you just won't get the best results if you use ChatGPT this way. So personally, I discourage this method of using ChatGPT because there is a much more better and easier way to bring the best out of ChatGPT results. So let me show you how to use amazing SEO prompts to bring the genius out of ChatGPT and start creating SEO optimized blog posts on this SEO writing AI tool. So the first thing we want to do here is to install a free Chrome ChatGPT extension called AIPRM. This extension helps you to add a list of ready-made prompts to ChatGPT for SEO, for content writing, for copywriting, and several other things. Now, prompts help ChatGPT to understand what the user is asking it to do and then provide relevant content that is being requested for. So to add this extension to Chrome, let's head over to Chrome Web Store. And here search for AIPRM. Here is it. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add extension. Now once this extension is installed on your Chrome, it will automatically redirect you back to ChatGPT, and then you're going to see this pop up. Just click Continue, tick this agreement box and connect with your Google account. Select your Google account, continue. Now go to your email inbox and verify your settings. So here is the email sent to me. Just open it, click the verification link, and then head back to ChatGPT dashboard. Again, tick the agreement box here and confirm. And now the AIPRM is added to our Chrome browser, and you can see that this ChatGPT dashboard has changed with so much more options, and that is where the game is. So here you can see that we have got different prompts that we can now use to generate our content. This is because of the AIPRM extension that we just added to our Chrome browser. So to generate an SEO optimized post with ChatGPT becomes easier with this. So we will go through 3 simple steps. Number 1, let's find a title for our new blog post. To do that, I will scroll here and choose the topic I want. So here I will choose copywriting, then scroll down, come here and select this prompt as blog post title generator. This will help you generate different titles for your blog post. So here I will choose 10. Here enter your blog topic. I will write sweet tits here because that's what I want to write about. Simply select the right options here, the language you want to use to write your blog post. I'll choose English, of course. You can choose this tone and then the writing style. Okay, so If we click here, you can see that ChatGPT has given us different blog titles for our chosen topic. Of course, we will not just go ahead and pick anyone at random. Rather, we have to choose one that has the potential to rank the best on Google. To find that, open a new tab, come here and search for Google Keyword Planner. Click on this link and it will bring you here. Click Go to Keyword Planner. Click the Discover New Keyword option and you will get this page. Here, we need to add all the blog post titles that we have generated from our ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT, copy all these blog post titles. Come back here and paste and click Get Result button. Here, Google Keyword Planner has shown us all the potentials of these blog titles. So, to choose the best one that will give the highest potential to rank on Google, we want to target the keyword with the highest monthly search with relatively low competition. So, if I look through, this particular one is obviously the best in this regard, so I will go for it. So let's go to step 2, which is to generate a content for this title that we have just chose. To do that, first let's copy this title, copy, back to ChatGPT, open a new chat, click here and choose your topic now as SEO. We know that Google does not like AI content, so here, this prompt will fix that for us. It will also help us create a content that is SEO optimized automatically. Beautiful, right? So select it. Here, paste the title we just copied from our keyword planner. Then let's click here and you will see that we have generated our content. So as you can see, our content is now generated. I love this. So we're almost done. The next thing to do now is to check if this content is completely unique. That makes sense, right? So to do that, go to your favorite plagiarism checker, then return to ChatGPT, copy this content, come paste it in here, check plagiarism, so as you can see, we have got a 96% unique content, which for me is quite cool. But we also have another 4% duplicate content, which I think we should fix. So if you scroll down here, you will see the duplicate content highlighted in red. So what we have to do here is to rewrite this highlighted content to make them unique, again with the help of ChatGPT. So here is the first one, copy it, go back to ChatGPT, and here instruct ChatGPT to rewrite this sentence with 100% uniqueness. Paste the sentence we have just copied, click here. You can see that ChatGPT has rewritten this content for us. Once that is done, just copy this sentence and come back here and replace it with the whole sentence. Now, use the exact same step to rewrite every other highlighted text that you find on your article. So once you're done, once again recheck the plagiarism score. I'll do that. And as you can see, we have now a 100% unique content that we can use. I think this is amazing. If you also think so, please show it by giving this video a thumbs up. We will be supporting this channel if you do that. Thank you. So now, we can go ahead to step 3, which is to go and publish this blog post on our WordPress website. So, go to the post page of your WordPress website. Now, the first thing we want to do here is to paste our title in here. So, to add your content, come back to this tab, copy the whole article and come back here and paste it in. Of course, you want to make sure that you re-edit this blog post to improve its readability and attractiveness. Okay, so I have something cool now. Once you're done, go ahead and publish your blog post. Now let's view our blog post. As you can see, we now have a well-written, beautiful blog post published on our website using ChatGPT. So you can sign off at this point, but for me, I am not done quite yet. This is because I also want to be sure that this blog post is completely optimized for SEO. So to do my final check, I will use my favorite SEO plugin to check up on my SEO score for this particular blog post. The plugin I use for this purpose is the Yoast SEO plugin. If you have been using other SEO plugin, well, you might not need to use Yoast, but if you don't already have your Yoast SEO plugin installed on your WordPress website, just come to the plugin section and search for Yoast SEO. Just install and activate it like you're activating any other plugin. Come over here, cancel this and click this dot. As you can see here, our SEO is still indicating red here. That's because there are a few things we still need to fix. So if you scroll down, everything here in red are the issues to fix, which obviously ChatGPT could not have been able to do for us. We have to do them manually. So the first thing is for us to add at least one external link to this post. I'll go ahead and do that. As you can see, that has now been fixed. The second thing to fix is a no-brainer. This article lacks images, so I'll go ahead and add a few. Here you want to make sure that you use relevant title and especially the alt text. When you're doing that, make sure that you use a good alt text that will enhance image search on your website. As you can see, our image has now been fixed, but I love to add a few more relevant images because images are very important to the feel and the attractiveness of your blog article. Okay, this looks good. Again, I will have to add at least one internal link to this blog post. So I will quickly do that. Okay, that has now been fixed. So as you can see, we need to have a focus keyword for our blog post. So I will ask ChatGPT to give me a focus keyword for this blog post title. So let's copy this title, then go back to ChatGPT and instruct ChatGPT to give me a focus keyword for this blog title. So we have desert delight as our focus keyword for this particular article. So I'll copy this and come paste it in here. Again, here I have to fix this focus keyword in the introduction section of my blog article, and I will have to make sure it appears naturally. Okay, so this is fixed now. Here, I will make sure that my focus keyword is found in my blog title. Okay, that is fixed also. So the next thing to do is to fix our blog post meta description. So let's go back to ChatGPT, open a new chat, scroll down. Here select the prompt meta title and description. Here enter your blog title. So you can see that we have got a meta title and a description for our blog post. So I'll copy this meta description and go back to my blog post, then paste it in here. And as you can see, this also has been fixed. So as you can see, we have our green score all over this content, both for SEO setting and readability score. And now we are confident that our article is now fully optimized for SEO, and you can be certain that your blog post will begin to rank high on Google search results. So once we are done, come back here and click update, and then you can go ahead and preview your blog post. So this is how to write a human written, fully SEO optimized blog post using ChatGPT. If you want more ChatGPT training from me, or you want me to help you fix any of your website SEO, then reach out to me using the details in the video description. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert notification so you get to see when I release more videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.